Hi guys, so we're going to learn new letter, which is 16th letter. It's a consonant, fe. It's like the English letter F in fountain, father. A lot of words in the Uyghur language that contains this letter, especially at the beginning form, are borrowed words from English or other language. So it has front connecting, middle connecting, back connecting, and a long form, fe. And front connecting, fountain, fountain, family, family name, family isim, photo. So usually it's, I think maybe F never existed in our language because mostly it's just borrowed name, I guess. And connecting. I'll just make up a word like oh, I don't have to. Telephone. Telephone is yeah, it's a borrowed word and there's F in the middle. And back connecting form. Say cut. I'll just make up a word like rough. If it's a name, I don't know, like foreign people's name, rough. Soft. Something like that. Well, because again, I said F is not very I don't think it exists before, so that's why a lot of people like to pronounce it as P. Like instead of saying telephone, they like to say telefon. Fontan, they say pontan. Famile, like they don't say photo like photo, but like Fatima, they like to say it as Patime. It become P in Uyghur. So I guess maybe because it just didn't exist and they like to make it as P. The other one, it looks similar to Fe, but it's pronounced P. This is a 17th letter. It's also a consonant. So again, it has 4 different forms. Front connecting. It looks like Fe, but instead of 1 dot, there's a 2 dot there, and middle connecting. Back connecting and a long form. So yeah, 4 different forms, and let's see examples for the front connecting form. Okay, that's a lot of words, right? Like Qasim, it's a man name. Sorry, there should be one. Qis, girl. Qalam. Yeah, I wrote like this line again in the previous videos I have mentioned. I like to write 2 dots as in just line, as a line in my handwriting. Yeah, you can do that too. Middle connecting. O'qituvchi, beliqchi, beliqchi, or dehqan. Dehqan means farmer, and back connecting form. Iraq, a little stream. Pilak, fish. The back connecting form. It's a lot. Yuck, no. Yeah, again, I keep the same thing, my habit. Yeah, like yuck.